Newton's second law is mathematically expressed as F equals ma. In the equation, F represents force, a vector quantity. The variable m signifies mass, which is a scalar quantity. A denotes acceleration, which is the rate of change of velocity. This equation establishes the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. When a constant mass is subjected to varying forces, its acceleration changes proportionally. A small force results in slow acceleration, while a large force results in fast acceleration. With constant mass, greater force leads to greater acceleration. This demonstrates the direct relationship between force and acceleration. This relationship is described by Newton's second law of motion. When the same force is applied, objects with smaller mass accelerate more than objects with larger mass. Applying a constant force to a smaller mass results in faster acceleration. Applying the same constant force to a larger mass results in slower acceleration. Greater mass leads to lesser acceleration when force is constant, illustrating an inverse relationship. This demonstrates the inverse relationship between mass and acceleration.